If this powerful hypnotic audio has landed on your feed, it is just for you if you want to change your thinking and thereby change your life. Your thoughts control everything. Let's change them right now to be more effective for you. So, if now is not the right time, save it till later, but otherwise, find somewhere comfortable to relax for the next few minutes. Take a nice deep breath, and when you're ready, just close your eyelids right down, all the way down. So 5, you are drifting deeper into you. 4, relaxing deeper. 3 and 2, absolutely letting go. 1, feeling calm, open, receptive. That's right. And I want you to imagine you are walking slowly down a staircase, and every step takes you deeper and deeper into an awareness of you. And as you continue down, your mind opens to new ways of thinking, and here you are at the bottom of the staircase, and you arrive at the control room of your brilliant mind, a place where thought loops begin. So take a breath, and I want you to know that in this place you see 2 spirals. 1 spiral turns downwards. This is the loop of ineffective thinking, negative thinking, poor thinking. This is the spiral that says, I can't, I'm stuck, things never work out. And that loop leads to low feelings, poor actions, poor results, a poor life. But then you notice the spiral that turns upwards. This is the loop of powerful, effective, manifesting thinking. This says I can. This says I'm able. This says things work out for me. This spiral lifts your feelings, fuels excellent action, and creates phenomenal results and a life that you love. And now your mind chooses the upward spiral so that every thought is a seed, and you only plant seeds of optimism, possibility, and confidence. Your subconscious locks on to the truth that when you think effectively, you feel brilliant. When you feel brilliant, you act effectively. And when you act effectively, you create phenomenal results, results you desire in your life. That's right. So now, imagine yourself stepping into the flow that spirals upwards. See your thoughts becoming clearer, sharper, brighter. Feel optimism rising in your body. You're feeling light, energized, but focused. Notice yourself taking powerful action with ease and confidence, and watch as your results unfold. Success, abundance, opportunity flows to you. Your subconscious is now attuned to an upward flow. This is who you are choosing to be, someone who rises upwards, spirals upwards, always choosing effective thoughts that create effective results. So Tell yourself right now, because the most important words you will ever hear are the words you say to yourself. Tell yourself, I think effectively. I feel positive and powerful. I act with confidence and clarity. I create the results I desire. My thoughts spiral me upwards and my life rises with them. So, in a moment, I will count you up to full awareness. And when you do come back, you will bring this new upward spiral way of being, thinking, feeling, acting, and creating with you. So 5, coming back with a nice big smile on your face. 4, coming back clear, focused, and ready to get going. 3, coming back feeling motivated, optimistic, feeling inspired. 2, carrying this new upward spiral pattern with you. 1, just open up your eyes, fill up your lungs, take a powerful, magnificent breath, and spiral up into the life that you truly desire